My friends at SWA Autosports and I are teaming up once again to bring you guys another taillight giveaway. We're not just going to give away one set, we're going to give away 2 sets of RBG taillights, a version 1 and a version 2. I will explain more on how you can enter to win those at the end of the video, so make sure to stay tuned. And as you saw from the thumbnail, I installed the V1 version in this video, and I had a lot of help doing it. Oh, I don't care. You can pass it around.
Man, come on. You go to the camera. You good with it?
We know the taillights. You know how to take them out?
Oh yeah, I've got the. I think it's the V2s. No, the V1s. The V1s.
So I highly recommend having like a tool bag in your car, because you never know, especially if you mod cars. You never know when you're going to need something. Yeah, I have a jump pack, little jump pack, battery powered air compressor. It'll charge all 4 tires in one charge, or pump all 4 tires up in one charge. Yeah.
I gotta do a video on that.
Already did. You miss them. I get it. It's all good. I understand. You're never going to catch all of them unless you go to the channel. Normally wouldn't have to do this, but because of this style, they changed how they go in. So now there's a grommet actually. So you guys want to see what structural damage looks like?
Oh,
damn. That's when somebody rear-ended you?
So my girl was in the car. First time driving it. Had a stop sign coming off an exit. Lady from New York, sorry. Wasn't paying attention, hits the truck behind her and pushes the truck
into you. Oh, damn.
Oh yeah, that's why you had to get the rear end replaced.
Well, back when this happened, you couldn't buy this. You couldn't buy the trunk pan, so he had to fix it. And now it's too late past. Now you can buy it, but the insurance isn't going to pay for it now. So these are easy. I've had these out 3 or 4 times, so now they just kind of just pop out. Well, because the white clips that hold the, I'll show you. They end up wearing out.
Oh yeah, from all the ins and outs.
Yeah, so like these.
Oh yeah. So they got
Now what I could do is I could probably just go to Honda. There's one right down the street. I could, $5-6 and get new ones. Now if it didn't sit right, then I probably would, but it sits fine. So like these tabs here, those are what slide into that, and these are actually smaller than the
original.
Yeah, they're smaller than the factory ones. Now, if you're not getting RBG taillights, you don't have to. All the wiring and stuff isn't necessary, but having that, because they all have to link together.
Right. The man brought out the beach chair.
yes sir. I always have it in my car.
He's prepared.
Oh no. I think we have to do is close it, right? Yeah.
Gotta get the magnet.
I don't have one.
Bam.
See, this is the kind of stuff you don't see behind them.
That's all right. That's just one of them.
These are the behind the scenes we don't see.
Behind the scenes.
Dude, if you knew how much you don't see, or stuff you don't see. So what else you want to see?
You gonna think about getting new rims for blue?
I've been debating. Actually.
You figure out which ones?
No, I was actually thinking about going white, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. I like the white-blue contrast. I like it.
Are you planning on adding anything to the Type R?
Problem with that one is that one's expensive, and I don't get as much sponsor support with that.
What do you think about the new Type R?
I was gonna buy one.
That markup is still crazy.
Yeah. 60 grand?
That's literally an entire car.
Just go get a charger. Exactly.
Oh my god.
Well, you still won't have the reliability of a Honda.
Yeah.
You won't get it at MSRP. I don't give a shit.
I know you won't ever get an MSRP.
I don't care what any of them say. So I've driven one. I mean, you guys, I don't know if you saw the video, because I'm gonna keep that.
You are now in the presence of a king.
The GM of that Honda dealership wanted it. So you like that one better than the
new one.
Really?
the FL5?
I like the new one better.
So he said, the only way I could do it was if I traded, and it was a 20 grand markup. gets higher. How far away you live? You can be my cameraman all the time, bro.
An hour and 30. I honestly thought you were based in Maryland when I was watching your videos.
So the 717 is the area code here.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I chose
That's
that.
why as in Europe, they get a different. No, all this shit is completely different.
So for whatever reason, I think they released the V2s first. For some reason. I actually kind of prefer
So
these.
then I think I have the V2s then, because mine don't look like that. They look like the, unless, no, he had 3 different versions, right? He had the smoked out ones, the white ones, and then...
Well, the dragon eyes. So I think you have, or the dragon tail.
Because it
whatever.
does the sequence thing, and then it, you know...
These are just the white version.
Okay, yeah.
You have the
V
we have the
ones.
smoked ones.
Yeah, I've got the smoked out ones, okay.
They don't. So these don't have the button, and it only has the one wire. So I actually might have to run that wire.
You gotta go cut wires.
I might have to. I'm not 100% sure. All right. So what do you dislike? Tell me. Come on. Tell me.
Just
We don't
like
make it
about
for the
your,
hedge.
What?
We don't make it for the
That
head.
I'm not a hat. No, the channel. What don't you like? Like, what can I do better?
the camera angles. No, okay. Where there was one point when I was watching you install the V1s, I was like, I can't see what the you're doing.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to run that wire. 100%.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's okay. Ain't no thing. I'm not gonna like hide it because I'm just gonna take them out. Because the reason I ask is because I'm always trying to improve. I'm a person who always wants to do better,
Mm-hmm.
especially when it's
One of your
my own
passions.
thing type
Yeah.
thing. You know?
It's too dark.
I take constructive criticism.
Did you have a video about you installing in your subs?
I did.
So, Mike,
This my second one.